Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to view all the photos and videos you're tagged in on Facebook. Let's explore the steps together. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account settings. Tap on the three lines located at the top right corner of the screen to reveal the menu options. Next, tap on the Settings icon to enter the Settings menu. Select Account Center from the list of options provided to manage your account settings. Then, tap on Your Information and Permissions to access detailed information about your account. Navigate to access your information and tap on it to proceed further. Select your Facebook activity to review your activity on the platform, including photos and videos you're tagged in. Lastly, under Photos and Videos, you're tagged in. Tap on this option to view and manage all the media content you've been tagged in by friends and family. By following these steps, you can easily stay updated on the photos and videos you're tagged in, ensuring you're aware of the content associated with your profile. Thank you for joining us. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to view all the photos and videos you're tagged in on Facebook. Stay connected and engaged with your tagged media content to ensure a positive and personalized social media experience.